The Wales Millennium Centre is more than just a theatre. We offer a range of free workshops for young people to get involved in, from singing, dancing, theatre, acting and radio. Each year we're adding more and more things for young people to get involved in.
I did songwriting and MCing. Obviously creative arts is quite versatile, and having all these workshops that sort of have different aspects of different parts in the creative arts, like it's really interesting for all of it to come together.
Fy hoff thing amdan I gyd o oedd cael i'n adnabod pobl a cwrdd â pobl newydd a creu ffrindiau. Oeddwn ni byth yn meddwl oeddwn ni'n mynd I wneud.
It's really important that the Wales Millennium Centre offers these courses in the valleys, because a lot of these young people don't have the resource or the capacity to be able to jump on a bus or jump on a train.
I think the fact that it's so much fun, it's so free, and you get to meet loads of people similar age that have the same kind of passions in creating media that you do.
Hardcore is essentially a beatbox choir, or like a hip-hop choir, where a lot of creatives came together and created 3 separate songs, and it was all purely vocal. It's a space where you can collaborate with other creatives and create good music.
Now, if learning isn't your thing, we offer a bunch of free, unique experiences for you to get involved in.
Every year, the Wales Millennium Centre holds a unique sleepover called Dros Nos, whereby a bunch of young people around Wales come to the Wales Millennium Centre and we get to sleep in the building, and we watch a show and we do a bunch of creative activities that respond directly to the show.
Life Hack is a free inspirational event where young people can meet with industry professionals and take part in creative, interactive workshops.
I did theatre and film, but there were lots of other ones happening as well. I got to meet so many new people and different practitioners and learn so many new skills. I'd recommend this to anyone to come back again. It was so great.
Us young people also have a say in how the new spaces inside can best benefit all of us, bringing creatives, artists and community all together under one roof, with hangout spaces, radio studios and state-of-the-art digital rooms for us to grow and develop in.
Yeah, I think spaces like this are incredibly important for young people. I mean, this is a radio platform program, and it's one of the first spaces in the centre that we just gave up to young people entirely. You know, young people run the station, they do the training, they do everything in the station, and what that did, it gave them a real sense of ownership. So as a prototype, it's been a massively successful program.
As you can see, there's a lot going on, and it's young people who are the future of this amazing building. With the new creative spaces being built and the free learning experiences are for everyone, come on down and check it out. You never know, it might change your life.